password, your first name, your last name, your admin email, and then right here you want to put your language. So if you speak Farsi or Spanish or Russian, you want to put that. And then after you're done with all these settings, guys, you can go ahead and go to install. Okay, so I'm gonna go to install. All right, it is installing. And voila. So congratulations, guys. We have successfully installed WHMCS. So remember, if you guys want to go ahead and view it, you guys can go right here to NameHero tutorial for you or whatever your is, and then go to billing and click on that. And voila, guys, congratulations. You guys have successfully installed WHMCS on your website. So right here, people can go ahead and like buy a domain. They can order hosting. They even get like recommendations. So basically, you guys can kind of like browse around and take a look at it. Get familiar with it and everything. So this is basically WHMCS. And remember, your site already has the ability to search for domains and let people know if they're available or not. So the next thing I want you guys to do is I want you guys to install WordPress. All right. So we're gonna go back over here to the app installer, and we're gonna click on this right here. Now we're going to install WordPress. Now the reason why I recommend this, because by default, sure, you can have it like this. You can have your entire website like this, but you really can't change much to it. So you guys can see when I went to pihost.com, I basically created an entire website. So for example, right here, we'll go to pihost.com. So basically I created like the entire website. So I didn't want to limit you guys just to WHMCS platform. I want to say, hey, if you want to, offer all this stuff, I want to invite you guys to do that. So right here, basically all I did was just create the WordPress website, which is what most people do. And then they just put the link for the WHMCS folder inside of the websites to kind of meld it together. Okay. So let me give you a better understanding of that. So right here, I want you guys to go back over here and go to install WordPress. All right. So now right here in the indirectory, put nothing. All right, put nothing. All right, so site name, site settings, you guys can go ahead and put all this. For those of you who've been around WordPress for a while, you guys probably know the drill. You can always change this in the theme customizer later. Right here, you want to put your username and password. All right, so this is a bad password. Make sure it's good. And login attempts. So basically, if some dude's trying to log into your website a lot, it'll it'll limit the logins. And then, all this stuff right here. You guys have probably seen all this stuff. Now, I'm actually going to install the Divi theme, and I'm actually going to include a free layout, and it's actually on my website for you. So you guys can actually have full access to that. They're free layouts, they're just there to help you out. So right here, I'm gonna go to install. All right, so WordPress is installing. Awesome. So here we have the link right here and the admin link. So right here, I can click on this little link right here. And it's going to go ahead and take us to our WordPress website. So we can go ahead and visit the sites, and of course you get the same theme. This is the one by default. I'm sure you guys know that by now. Now remember, if I go to NameHeroTutorialForYou.com-billing, it's going to take us to our WHMCS section. So for example, I'll go ahead and give you an example. So -billing. And there you go, voila. So remember, WHMCS is inside of basically our website. So there you go. So it's just a matter of linking to it and telling customers where to go within WHMCS. So let's go ahead and check our progress, guys. So we've got our hosting, congratulations. We have successfully installed WHMCS. We have successfully installed WordPress. Now we are going to go ahead and upload the Divi theme. Now remember, you guys can use any theme that you want. You can use a free theme. You can use the Elementor page builder. You guys can use anything that you guys have seen in my past tutorials, or if you're comfortable with the theme, feel free to use it. But this is just for people who use the Divi theme, because I teach it a lot on my website, so people might want to use that same theme. Now there is also a link in the description. It will give you a discount on the Divi theme if you've never used it. I have a tutorial on it. It's an amazing theme. It's probably the number one most installed WordPress theme in the world. So for those of you who have the Divi theme, you will also get 2 free layouts included in this tutorial. So before I install the WordPress theme and show you all the layouts, I want to actually show you the admin area for WHMCS. So by default, you guys are very familiar with this section right here, right? Well, there's another admin for WHMCS. So I want you guys to go to your link right here, billing. Now remember that folder I told you to make that was a little complicated? you're going to actually put that right there. So basically billing dash whatever directory that you added earlier, and then you're going to go ahead and press enter. If you guys aren't sure, go back to that part of the tutorial. Remember I told you to make that folder difficult to understand. So you're going to put dash billing and then put in your your URL. So you guys will get to a page that looks something like this, but you guys might be brought to a page that looks just like this right here. So you're going to have to enter in your information that you put. So the admin information that you put for WHMCS, the first time we installed it, you're going to put that right there. So right here I have, just my demo, stock stuff. So right here I'm gonna go to login. And then you'll be brought to this page right here. It's like a little wizard, it just talks about like stuff, but Ryan's gonna go more in depth on all of this, okay? But if you guys wanna go ahead and skip this step and just kind of look around, you guys are more than welcome to do that. So for example, over here, you guys can check all your stuff and your order, your billing, your support, everything else. But Ryan's going to go more in depth on this section, and he's going to talk more about this section right here. So, but I'm just letting you guys know where you guys can access the Paddywhack 784. I'm sorry, your admin area. So, that's what I put for mine. So whatever you put for yours, that's basically how you log into your specific part of WHMCS. That's why I kind of wanted you to make it a little difficult so people can't just guess it, So, okay, going back over here, I'm going to go ahead and go back to my website. All right, now I'm going to install the WordPress theme. So, you guys can use whatever you want. There's tons of themes out there that use, WHMC. Maybe there's one by default. Let's just type that in and see if there's like a free one that's available. Let's see over here. I've never even tried that, WHMCS, to see if there's a free one. These don't look like, these don't look like, I wouldn't, I don't know. There's so many themes out there, guys. I don't know. I just use Divi because it's amazing and it's really easy to use. And I'm going to go ahead and find Divi. So I'm going to go ahead and find the Divi theme. So Divi, I'm going to click on that and go to install now. Now, guys, I personally use the Divi theme. It's probably the #1 rated WordPress theme right now in the world. If you guys go to my website, darylwilson.com, you guys can actually see a preview of it. I'm actually using the Divi theme right here. It's really amazing. It's really simple to use, and with the new visual builder, it makes making websites like just super easy. So I wouldn't use any of the theme just because I've used it for so long. And I'm actually using the Ali Divi child theme. So basically Divi got so popular that people started making third-party child themes for it, third-party plugins, which just really made the plugin just more in demand. So there is a 10% discount for the Divi theme in the description. And remember, guys, you also get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So it really shows the genuine truth of the company when they're offering, money-back guarantees. They're not trying to just make your money and run. They're saying, look, we promise you that you'll use our theme. And, they also provide tons of layouts, guys. There's so much this company offers, and it's really what makes them #1. So again, they're not just out to make your money and leave. They're not like that. They offer a money-back guarantee. They offer a year of customer support. So, if you guys do decide to use the Divi theme, trust me, you will not be disappointed. The customer service, the layouts they offer is nothing short of amazing, okay? So anyways, let's go back over here, and I'm going to activate the Divi theme. Now, over here, I'm going to go to my website and go to Divi Layouts, so darylwilson.com, and then if you go to my menu right here under Divi Layouts, you guys will actually be able to find the Divi host. So Divi host child theme, it's free, doesn't cost anything. Now right here, you can click on view the demo, and voila. So you guys will have a website that looks just like this running up in about 10 seconds. So all you need to do is simply upload the child theme after you've purchased and installed Divi. And, all this is included, guys. So it's just, to help you guys out, just to get something started, because I know designing a website from scratch can be somewhat intimidating and also overwhelming. Trust me, I am in the world of web design, so I know it can be really hard. So let me show you how you can actually have this on your website really fast. So over here, I'm going to go to add new, upload theme, choose the file, and then I'm going to go ahead and just simply upload that child theme. So Divi host, and go to install now. Now remember, you guys will need to just go to my website, add it to the cart, and then just go ahead and go through the checkout process. It's free, it doesn't cost anything, so it's just to help you guys out. So right here, I'm gonna go to activate. So right here now, it says like it's like making sure that's Divi's installed, and it knows Divi's installed, so I'm going to activate it. All right, so now let's go ahead and import all the demo content, because by default, if you go to visit websites, it's not going to look like that. So go to here to dashboard, Divi host, and go to easy demo import, and simply go ahead and select import demo content. And after this, guys, Ryan's going to take over the rest of the tutorial. He's going to help you guys out. I only work with very few people, guys, and I really do my homework on people, and he was definitely commendable. The stuff he offers, the knowledge, the expertise, incredible. Really, really incredible, and really helpful to the WordPress community. All right, so the import is complete. Let's go ahead now and see how the site looks now. Voila. So you guys can see everything has imported. It basically cloned the entire website. So if you guys want this alternative where you guys can just have a website running up really fast and really easy, you guys can go ahead and use the Divi child theme. It's free. All you got to do is pay for the Divi theme. Like again, I do offer a 10% discount for that theme. All right. So now that I've done this section, guys, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Ryan, and he's going to help you all further your knowledge with the WHMCS platform.